YouTube? What is up, YouTube? We're back with another, and today we're playing Oh, I'm so laggy. Okay, today we will be playing Breaking Point. So yeah, I'm really excited. I have played this game before, but I'm wondering why is there always no prizes available? That's the thing. Wonder why. I wonder why. Well, they're starting. I can't see. Can't hear. Okay, let's see. Looks like one. Next person. I don't know what I'm talking about right now. Tiffany Mayume. It literally looks like Tiffany Mayume. Just weird, does it? Oops. No, don't kick me. No. Okay, I guess. Me. I'm so laggy. Please don't pick me. I beg of you. The video's lagging. No. Yes. Yes. I don't want to be the last. Great. Hooray! See, guys, trick shot. Boom! Hooray! Ha! No one can defeat me. A noob is a new player, not someone who killed you. True. That is true. Absolutely terrific. What? 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 Me? What? Me? What? What did they just say? Me? Oh. X. All I can say is X. Oh. Oh, okay. I don't really care. Oh my gosh. Yes, we earned 7 credits because we killed a murder. Phew. Luckily I didn't leave the server. What is going on with the server? I'm lagging. Okay, now I'm lagging. Okay. Oh! Oh! It was him! I saw it! I saw it! It was coming from that side. Boom. If you guys can guess who... Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. You're aiming it at this guy. Ew. He was aiming at this. She was aiming at this guy, I think. Oh, that was almost me. Not me. Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. Me. I feel you. Oh, come on. When I just said not me, they just randomly did it. Wow. Just wow. Wow. Oof. I'm sorry, guys. I'm super laggy. Let's play to guys to I was gonna play to entertain you. Wait. Now. Yes, I did it. Congratulations. No. Sorry guys, I just got a little mad there. dun, 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 dun. You know what? I'm gonna disguise myself. Haha, no one will know me. I look like the person who is in a murder with me. We're gonna vote Aqua, guys. Aqua. Well, I'm so sorry, guys. We got frozen for a second. I wonder why. It's because we were lagging too hard. Luckily, like, the people who were in the game joined it differently. Oh, bad lag, actually. Very bad. I wonder who won that round, actually. I never got killed that round. Oh, Bacon! Congrats! I wonder. No fact. Nope. Nope-bitty dope. GG. Smiley face. Too soon and close. Da-dun. 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 She saw us. Blow our cover. Da-dun. 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 I'm gonna vote this girl. We will have one more round, guys. One more round. Then I gotta go. But all my YouTube, all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing for me. And yes, I will be doing giveaways, more giveaways soon. Ow, did he just stab me? Okay. Thank you. My shirt doesn't say thank you, but like this. Yes, Bacon. That just took 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everyone's voting him because I think he's the strongest, but let's say he's not. Oh, it's Icicle Boy versus Bacon. Oh, Icicle Boy took a long. Yeah, vote her. Vote her. Vote her. Thick legs. Yeah, vote her. I'm voting her. I'm pointing at her. Oh no, vote her. Now she could just throw the knife right there, but whatever. What? I can't see anything. Everything went dark. Oh, phew, that scared me. Let me fight. Let me fight. Oh great. I said I can't really fight, but I was lagging really bad, guys, but ha! Throw it. Who do you think will win? Comment down below. We got never mind. Don't comment, because we already know who would win. Apple would win. Ha ha ha. Wait. Ha ha ha. Ha. Ha ha ha. Trick shot. Okay, guys, as I say, we gotta go. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Peace. We out.